In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Link not pairing. We're going to walk through the exact settings in Steam that make pairing straightforward and reliable, so you can get your Steam Link connected and ready to stream your games smoothly. Start on your host PC, which is the computer where your games are installed and where Steam runs. Launch the Steam application and sign in with your account. Take a moment to carefully enter your username and password. Even a small typo can block the process and prevent the pairing options from working as expected. Next, go to the Steam menu in the upper left corner of the app window. Click it, choose Settings, and then scroll to the Remote Play section. This is the control center for streaming and pairing options. If Remote Play is turned off, your Steam Link won't be able to find your PC, so this is the first place to check. Inside Remote Play, enable the Remote Play toggle or checkbox. This allows your PC to advertise itself to your Steam Link. Right below, turn on Allow Direct Connection or the automatic IP sharing option. Enabling this helps Steam use your local network more efficiently for pairing and can improve stability and responsiveness once you're connected. Think of it as giving Steam a more direct, faster path to your device. With those settings in place, start the pairing process. Click the Pair Steam Link button to begin scanning for nearby devices. Steam will look for compatible hardware on your network and list any it finds. When your Steam Link appears in the list, select it. If you have multiple devices, pick the one that matches the name you see on your Steam Link screen so you connect to the right target. Your Steam Link will display a 4-digit code to confirm the connection. On your PC, a prompt will appear asking for that code. Type the code exactly as shown on your Steam Link and submit it. This quick handshake verifies that you're pairing the correct devices. After the code is accepted, Steam will complete the pairing and your Steam Link should now be linked to your PC, ready to stream your library. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.